The pull of music now entices you to be wicked. Club Manor gives another definition to partying. Be a Goodfellas Manor's Wicked Girl Competition.
Basically, the Wicked Girl competition is an open competition for all the professional and non-professional models, or just a pretty face that would like to be exposed and be well on their way to fulfill their model dream.
Vote for me and have your party support and I'm making sure we're gonna rock the house. I joined the competition for experience, of course, and I want to show my friends how great I am, and I'm a great party mover. Yeah, and I want to boost the crowd.
You gotta work it.
Okay, the perfect wicked girl is basically a girl that can party all night, who can bring in all of her friends and make them buy drinks. And because the more drinks they buy, the more friends they bring in, the more votes they get.
But if I had you,
Be wicked to get a ton of prizes.
The kicker there, they win a 3-day, 2-night stay at Boracay with airfare with a friend.
The most enticing part would be is they're gonna be featured in all of our magazine tie-ups.
I love contests and I'm enjoying it. And of course, my friends are here to support me.
They're pretty, they're gorgeous and everything, but you know, people will notice what's my differences among them.
An absolute girl needs to know how to party, and I think that I am a party animal.
You ought to party and party real hard, because every Wednesday till December, it's the Wicked Girls' time to be naughty and nice.
It's a different way to treat the ladies during Wednesday.
I'm okay to win for the wicked girls.
Let a best girl win.
I'm inviting you every Wednesday night at Manor Super Club. Come and see and witness how all these pretty ladies become and be well on their way to be the top models of the Philippines. Hit us up every Wednesday!